वैसे तो मैं बोलता नहीं, वैसे तो मुझे बोलने की इच्छा भी नहीं होती, लेकिन जब मैं बोलता हूँ तब मैं ही बोलता हूँ. Because there are two ways of living in this world. One is demanding, the other is commanding. I learned it too late that if you demand attention, if you demand respect, you rarely get it. And if you command it, you don't have to ask for it, you get it. I learned it very late, but in management, that is a very important sentence. Command respect and don't demand it. Secondly, don't commit what you will have to omit, and don't omit what you will have to commit. जो चीज हमें वापस करेक्ट करनी पड़े वैसी मिस्टेक करना ही नहीं. तो डोंट कमिट व्हाट यू विल हैव टू ओमिट एंड डोंट ओमिट व्हाट यू विल हैव टू कमिट. तो इस तरह से बदल मैनेजमेंट में करना जरूरी है, क्योंकि मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक हर चीज में आपको लगेगी, घर में ही नहीं लगेगी, सब जगह लगेगी. सेकेंडली, हैव टू हैव आई टू आई कॉन्टैक्ट विद एवरीबॉडी. देन ट्राई टू हैव जेस्चर्स, हैव टू हैव गुड बॉडी लैंग्वेज, बिकॉज आर्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग. 5G होके भी CG है, मतलब 5G होके भी कम्युनिकेशन गैप है. और ह्यूमर नहीं दिखता आपको, हर चीज में ह्यूमर लाओ, कैजुअल रहो, आप कनेक्ट हो जाओगे और बहुत सारी चीजें करवाने लगोगे. डोंट ट्राई टू इम्पोज एनीथिंग ऑन एनीबॉडी, बट से इन सच अ वे दैट द पर्सन वांट्स टू डू इट, विल लाइक टू डू इट. So don't try to impose or don't try to give an order. Put a request, but in such a manner that the patient feels or the person feels that he wants to do it. And let it look like a request instead of an order. So then it creates connection. Secondly, in management, you have to learn that writing orders is not important. Try to go to the patient's table, try to go to his table and get it done from him directly on the spot, because then you know the real issues. So never speak from your own chair. Go to the other's chair. Make it more people friendly. Make it more servant attitude, servant leadership, which is very important. And managerial and leadership differences you should always remember. Don't become a good manager, become a good leader. So once you start to lead from the front, once you start to take responsibility, things changes. Only reading, writing and arithmetic is not important. Now it is, those three are important. They were previously important. Now reality is more important. You should try to understand the reality. Second, relationships are more important. And the third R is responsibility. So reality, relationship and responsibility, these three R's are very important from the studenthood. Try to take the responsibility. Try to take the lead. Don't think what will happen after this and what will happen after that, because overthinking is the cause of importance. Then you don't do anything. So don't overthink. Don't overact. Just act and be proactive. Those who are not proactive in life, they always end in procrastination. Secondly, give importance to priorities and not formalities. The moment you give importance to formalities, you will lose your priorities. So try to go behind priorities and not formalities. No good morning, good afternoon and all wastage of time in unnecessary formalities is very useless. Try to go beyond your priorities and first for priorities. And try to see that you give deadlines. You should have 4 friends which are there, very important in life. One is blackboard. Try to put on the blackboard everything everybody needs to do according to his name, and then they put a check on each other. You should not put a check on one person. Let them put a check on each other. That is the way to get things done. Write their names and write the list of what they have to do. Blackboard. Second is the pin-up board. Write everything on the pin-up board. The vision, the mission, the passion. If they three are the same, vision, mission and passion, then you achieve the thing. If your vision is something different, your mission is something different and your passion is something different, you won't achieve it. Let the vision, mission and passion be the same. Then pin-up board, blackboard. Third one is mirror. Write on the mirror 2 important things which will hypnotize the people. First, write we love you, so that everybody feels love. Secondly, you write I am okay, everything is okay, so the quality of life and the positive thinking increases. Then you should have a diary. Continuously keep on writing a diary, because the person who writes in a diary becomes from subjective to objective, and then you start getting things done because they are already on paper. So writing a diary is most important thing. So these are the basic tips for being a good leader and a good disciplined person. Thank you. This is Dr. Vaibhav Lunkat from Pune.